If you're not using Microsoft Your Phone application, then Microsoft will want you to use it one day. And hence, Microsoft has started to work on this project. You might be using some other softwares like BlueStack to use Android applications on your Windows 10 computer. But now you can open your Android applications on your Windows 10 computer with the help of Your Phone application. Currently, it is limited to Samsung Galaxy mobiles and it may extend to other Android phones as well. To use this feature, you should have these phones and your phone application should be installed on both the devices. Windows 10 computer must be updated with May 2020 update or later. So will you be interested to use this new feature on Windows 10 computer with your Android phone? So do comment in the comment box with your opinion and enjoy Android applications on Windows 10 computer. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.